Welcome back to As in the Hut, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when inside the world, when they speak the language, when everybody understand. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Lagos. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV, nationwide and everywhere inside Obodo the world. Ezugu Chukwu the Unkubi and our special visitor, Ogachu the day inside studio. And we discuss topic when they touch plenty people for inside Obodo Nigeria. Nigeria youth, leaders of which tomorrow. We don't identify the problems. We don't identify what the young people go do. Now to talk about education, when go empower the mind of the young person to do what in their rights. Ogachu, over to you.
Yes, so you know, so when you ask me that question, I calm down because to be honest, I don't know the answer to that question. But that one thing worrying me, you know, it gets one time where, I mean, many times where we get Minister of Education for this country, we don't know their name. You know, there's that Tunde Adeniran.
Even Samegu, one time
we say ordinarily they
Fabian Osuji. Remember, of course, we remember, you know, Samegu, Obiagele Ezekwesili.
And then they carry prof, big position for the front of their name.
Yes, but then they work very hard. I don't know to say we don't know the name of the Minister of Education for this government.
This minister,
we don't know who the person be. We don't know what the person want to do. We don't know what the plan of the person be. We don't understand waiting be the vision of this person. That's a problem. Because education should be one of the loudest positions for inside the government. Yes. So, you know, then we hear they want to give free food to children for school.
That one appeal.
That one just scam. Because yes, it's good to give children food, but the problem is, say, the one way they already inside the school, which kind of education then they receive? Everything you be able to call pedagogy. You know, what quality, what can they teach them? The teachers where they the school, what kind of motivation?
Exactly.
What kind of situation?
And even are they the kind of right set of teachers that they qualify to even say that they teach?
Exactly. You know, people they always talk say, you know, they say they want hire
a particular number of
teachers. But you don't forget, say even the teachers we get now, we go teacher training school. Some of them they use Yoruba teach English. So we don't already solve the existing problem before we carry unqualified people to go join other unqualified people. It can't look like say we just they play game. We just they do, you know, kalo. We just they do make it do as if they do something. That one go fail. Then we say the seriousness to tackle the education problem for the country never did. And in addition to the seriousness, there is a lack of strategy. Now we say they don't get game. How we go take it? So that one, even they fear me before I even begin to talk about what they're supposed to do. Because now when you waiting they talk, now when you don't lay foundation, then you go build house. So we don't talk for years. So we get foundational problem for our educational system. If you get a family, we get 5 children. Which one better pass? For the 5 children to go bad school, or for one of them to go good school? You go better make one of them go good school than for 5 of them to go bad school.
Because all of them will come bad.
Because they will all fail WAEC.
Combination of bad people.
Yes, now because when you finish doing all those things, when you reach WAEC, when you reach post-UME, when you reach international examination, you go fail. Because for international, they don't go ask, say, oh, sorry, now because your government bad, that's why they train all of you. Or then give you food for the school where you go. Then will say, you sabi the thing where you're supposed to don't sabi by this time. So I fear.
So I hope they hear. I hope our leaders they hear because the issue of education, just as Ogachu, they don't talk. Now, one key element, one key area where we need to do it, we need to at least address, and it is very, very important. Chukwudi, over to you.
Unkubi, we no go waste time. We go quickly rush, enter inside small break. The reason why we won't go this break now, so that even we ourselves go try
at least
that education.
No, it is very important for you.
Make we know because
no, don't go there. Don't.
Wazobia recharge zap don't upgrade though. This time, it no be 1, no be 2, no be 3, but na 4. Recharge cards from different networks every hour. Dem call am sharp fingers.
Yes, so every last minute of the hour between 5 a.m. and 10 p.m. every day, we go dey give out 4 recharge cards for all the major networks.
No be bobo be this.
No be bobo, na the real deal. Just watch Wazobia Max on UHF 57 on top terrestrial and be the first to recharge the cards that we display on your screen.
Sharp finger challenge.
That's not all.
It still remains.
When you win any of these recharge cards, go to our Facebook page for Wazobia TV NG to tell us about it. You can stand chance to win more goodies at the end of the month.
No lie.
It is a true. That's how we roll on Wazobia TV.
What time they talk?
It is sharp finger challenge time. Oh yeah, now no dolly.
Stop there! The palace is like a maze. There's no way out.
The one who couldn't be faithful to her brother-in-law because of the greed of the throne cannot be loyal to my granddaughter as well. I will not help you in this evil deed ever.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook www.facebook.com/Wazobia TV.
Genius, Hago. I come to your sister. He's my very big boss. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Thank you for giving. One thing I love about him is, now come on, check this out. Fine boy. Cross leg again. But Davis, okay, now I don't learn. So the day where you go invite me, you come sit down here. Now me say my socks must clean.
To get the total package of your number one talk, news, and sports radio station, visit our website at www.nigeriainfo.fm.
Why did you take that DVD? I picked it in your room. How did you access my room?
I do not have that much power. Because I'm not the governor. I don't agree with you, sir.
Are you still divorcing, Mom? Please don't.
Yes, the boy was arrested as substitute for his boss who traveled to China.
If I wake you up by 5 a.m. for prayers tomorrow, no stories.
No story.
Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Ezeku Chukwu Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor Oga Chude still dey inside studio, and we dey discuss topic when beside dey very sure say plenty people for house now go don dey provoke, because I sure say a lot of us fall under the category of youth, whether papa wey only 60 years old wey still dey wear trainers or mama wey be say still dey look say I am still very youthful. We dey discuss Nigerian youth, leaders of which tomorrow, when that tomorrow go come, how we go take prepare youth to enter inside that particular position when we say they go come dey control things for this country, they move the country forward. Oga Chude, that education, you talk the truth too. I know say plenty Nigerians, we know they like hear truth, but you talk and say, even you don't know the answer to this question, because they be like say, even the minister self, even when we Google am, now the old one I first come out. But we go like Nigerians understand, say, our minister for education now Oga Adamu from Bauchi State, and the minister of state for education now Professor, I don't forget his name, but him be professor.
But the thing is, we don't talk and say, we don't always talk and say, okay, with also start say education and key thing. If, for instance, just as we talk behind it, they say if a lot of ministers don't come out, don't they give idea of what they want to do?
The one we want to do.
And don't even say they're very, very important to the society. We say we go even grow our youth, our children of your side. We never even can give one.
Who could be happy as you talk this thing?
No, just happy.
Okay, no, before
please,
before the election,
please. You
never allow me know what I want to talk.
Okay, talk what you want to talk.
Before the election, everybody when they watch us for house now know the kind things when you talk. You understand? How we excuse me? How we get minister? We don't know the name of our minister.
We all wanted change. We all wanted a governance where from the past government from something we say yes, we go give us something. You and I we understand.
Food for school.
I understand.
You dey give me. You dey give the pikin food. You know the belle for belle. You know the belle for head. Teacher, A is for apple. Kini mo so. A is for apple.
The food go make the child come say yes.
Now teacher education is very important. You don't do it. It's a Tuesday morning. It's a Tuesday morning. Don't tell me it's a Tuesday morning. Don't tell me it's a Tuesday morning.
The past is the past.
Oh, the past is the past.
So allow them. I mean, I could start to turn ball again tomorrow.
The Bible even talk am. No peace for the wicked.
No peace for you.
No be wetin Bible talk.
No peace for you now.
Why you
indirectly you've referred me to as the wicked person?
Okay, no verse. Oga Chude.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm still here.
Make we now we don't identify a lot of the problems.
Yeah.
It go good make we dey prefer solution. Now, a lot of people don't look and say if we check the way when the thing dey very very bleak in the sense say if we look the situation, it be like say things hard. I recall say the wife of one of the leaders of the All Progressives Congress, when the Senator Oluremi Tinubu stand up talk say before the election, our party, she talk and say our party promise women this, that. But now it can't be like say we no care about women again. Yeah. Now if women when we say don't even grow up, then mature, then get some kind of power, it can't be like say nobody they look their side. What about children, especially the girl child? Now we don't talk about education for the country. We dey talk about youth, people when they want particular age, the age between childhood and adulthood. And we dey talk say the condition where we dey. What about this our children? Me and you go better primary school, sing, parents listen to your children. Nkubi, it's not like I'm saying you did not go to a good primary school, but we know say that time when you go primary, no, and as you don't already think say na cause and it's not like that. Why you always now the problem when they talk about youth?
Ask your question.
If the Nigerian youth,
ask your question, I beg.
If the Nigerian youth,
ask your question.
As the Nigerian youth, when we be,
some I know they among.
United Nations.
This program will end.
United Nations talk say from this particular age to this particular age.
You don't do. Ask your question.
Why are you being aggressive now?
Ask a question.
Okay, Oga Chude now. Make we come begin the preferred solution to this particular problem. Yeah. Now, in 2015, plenty Nigerians come out en masse to participate in the process of election, to bring in government when they talk, say, okay, we won't begin a chart new course for development for Nigeria. I go like make you, through ways where we say go encourage the Nigerian youth to know, say, participating in the process, make we not see them as hard work, make we see them as opportunity to contribute our own quota to building our country.
Yeah. I mean, the first thing.
You bring your voice down.
The
question touch am. No, the Nigerian youth, they only they touch you. No. The issue touch am.
You say a typical example. Those people they call us, and will raise any related issue about youth, unemployed, association of unemployed youth. In that to tell you, say you, these issues of youth and youth basically. Now sometimes we say really, we need to at least
allow the youth to.
I mean, the first thing they say, say no government is good or bad, in my opinion. Now, waiting then they do, now ain't good or bad. Now, say if anybody thinks because Buhari is a good person, you know, in the history of leaders of this country, we don't see any leader who will not find one corrupt thing for your hand.
True.
We don't accuse them of corruption, we don't accuse them of abuse of power, etc. So it's a good man, but we not fit to deal with them. Not be my papa.
Very true.
Not be my uncle.
Oga Chude, you know go vex. We get okay. Okay being they call us from Calabar, but he be like, okay, Oga okay from Calabar. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga okay.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi. Guest in the studio. Good morning and welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
Make a contribution more.
Feel free.
Okay, make I start with myself. I just marked my 30th birthday. I be 100% youth. And they hurt me, say, our youth, they corrupt. Our youth no know their left and right. Our youth no say, the vote, not be their power. Yes. Let me tell you something. Get what our Gonga visitor talk. He said, may youth, they emulate our leader. Not be everything what they do, now they go emulate too. You get some bad things where they do where I know advice make
them say they won't follow, yeah.
When they follow up, no. And again, I don't know, I don't think the reason the day where this our tomorrow will come. See, I don't know the day we will come. That's why you see say anybody will wait for you know can't get the opportunity to rule. When you done the oath, can't get the opportunity to rule. He go carry out the Nigerian property, keep for in 30 generations to come, which is not proper. So it's hard time for our youth to hijack the power, our youth to come out and say, yes, this is our time.
Our time don't reach, yes.
Oga, okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate that. We get Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Thank you for your patience, Oga Bobby. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Bobby.
Hello.
We
good morning.
We agree to Oga Bobby.
Okay. I'm straight to the topic here. The matter of youth. First of all, we get that notion of youth very wrongly. Person when don't reach 40, you see they call itself youth. Because if you look at person whether it's 40, not be youth again. Person whether they 30, not be youth again. That I want to where they get to understand is a youth, not be person whether it's 30, they're supposed to say call it as a youth. Now 18, 17 to 20 something, that be youth, to not be 30. Person whether it's 30, not be youth. I want that thing again when I get to tackle. They say me anybody not any youth where they complain, he could blame himself. Why I say so? They say. Politicians, those older politicians, they use them. Look at what happened for River State now. Who be the people when they say go in front of the fight and other
young people?
Now youth. You understand? So if you as a youth, they say, could you complain, say, yes, the older people no one know that they in position of government. Then they use you, then they fight useless battle when not get head and tail, when not go favor you. So you are a fool. Excuse my language.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this important contribution. The passion when you use they contribute to issues when they affect us for inside Obodo Nigeria. We really appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. Quick one, we go rush enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, then we go enter the final phase of our discussion before we round up the show when we carry come today. Don't go anywhere. Now still as it hot. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Our Ogbonge visitor Oga Chude still dey inside studio and we dey discuss all the issues wey affect Nigerian youth with the topic wey we carry come Nigerian youth, leaders of which tomorrow. Oga Chude, you don hear two of our callers, Oga Oke from Calabar and also Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. Make we take this last one so that we'll give you opportunity to talk. Oga Samuel, they call us from Victoria Island. Oga Samuel, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Samuel, good morning.
Oga Samuel, you dey there? Be like say the network no agree, Oga Samuel. Now, Oga Chude, you talk one very important thing. You talk about say it go good make we participate for inside the process, and number two, it go good make we they negotiate because Oga Oke been talk about hijack in the context when we go put am no be to carry the thing by force or ensure say we
can hijack by negotiation.
Hijack by negotiation. Now, how we go take fit empower the Nigerian youth to know say indeed participating in that process, say I won't do election, I won't participate, I won't come out, even if that to register as carry member of one particular political party, or to look say okay this person I believe in this person, I don't check in track record if he do am. How we go take fit small they try to encourage the Nigerian youth and they teach people say participating in the process no be just until you sit down for house they watch for television or go argue for newspaper stand, you must contribute your own.
It's one thing, it's knowledge, and one way now through the media. You know, the thing be say when it come to thing where you want sensitize people, make them know what their rights be. You want sensitize people, make them know what their power be. The most effective, the way we get power passed, so use do that one at the media. TV shows, radio shows, events. So all the people where they really concerned about ensuring say youth take their power need to invest in the kind of media we will fit you send those messages out. In fact, we forget how powerful media they. Remember for this last election, everybody talks in Nigeria go scatter. They say they go do violence, go do. You know, say people no one pass Lekki, get one part for Lekki like that, where people talk say violence always did. But we forget say before that time, everybody there for road, they talk about peace. Two-Face, they do peace concert. You mentioned with Osiwa. The North Central Nigeria, they do peace concert. Everybody they do peace concert. So people know remember, so not because they put soldier, not today they begin put soldier for road during election. In fact, before soldier go follow you, they pack the ballot box, they work out go. Now because we use the media
to educate people, tell them say peace not the way forward.
Yes, and that thing they so in fact some of us even did the media, we don't understand how powerful the power we did for our hand. We don't understand. Say people they make life and death decision based on what they hear for television. So if we fit understand that, if people we really they concerned, fit invest, create, support media platforms, TV station, radio program, TV program, newspaper, events, small town hall meeting, etc. Where we communicating, if you do it for your community, it's not everything national. Not only Buhari the president, we get Okowa from my state, Delta State, we get what's the name for Lagos State, Ambode, we get Amosu, we get the other man
different
government, we get local government chairman, etc. So not just Buhari. If you say you come from Ogwato, Abiriba, or wherever, you go to that your place. You educate your people. Not be everybody we want to change country supposed to run for office. True. If you invest your money just to educate them, if you get people from other community we don't get changed, to come teach people for this community how they fit vote and revote. You fit recall people from government.
True.
Yes.
You fit say, you know,
This person know they do well, make it come back.
You don't say we don't know. We fit, instead of a person to spend money to run for office, why not spend money to recall the president senator? Use teach. You know, so we can say youth, your vote is your power. Make we use and give them practical examples.
Okay, you don't say something really very, very important. Youth, this is your power. Okay, if we, for instance, we don't of course, stress and yes. Okay, say youth, say nana responsibility to take over mantle, either through plead or anyhow. We'll also ask this question. Participation are one thing. Having the right ideology are one thing. When I mean the right ideology, the youth way we go to encourage now, say, okay, me not go into this particular system, or me not go and show say at it now fight for my right. The ideology of say, okay, I won't go there with the mindset of say, okay, I don't want to corrupt. You understand? How will take also change that one? Because a lot of people at this point, considering our present society, don't get that thought, say yes, corruption. One thing is, okay, being a youth, joining the system, and that thing is, what are you joining the system for?
To do, yes.
Oga there. You know what happen? Are they very certain say if you start to answer this question, we go take another 50 minutes, but we no go come like make wetin you go talk in 50 minutes, make you just talk am on that 2 minutes, make it no waste. So we dey very certain say if we extend invitation give you again next time you come, we go shake your hand based on say you don try well on top of this particular program.
This question, why anyway,
shake his own hand. Which one be why?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Our Nigerian people when they for us, they talk am say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. I don't hear our ogbonge visitor. We need to participate for the process, and we also need to negotiate. Not be by fight, not be by boxing. When we begin to stand up, they know say, okay, oh, this thing are the good thing, this one are the bad thing. We go put good over badness. Let nobody tell you say you too small to contribute to change for this country because Nigeria belong to you. Light no they ask say how old you dey before the thing go come. Road no go ask say how old you dey before it go allow you pass. This country belong to all of us, and we must join our hands together to lift them up. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. On top of the chairman television station, on top of the senior brother for the program, so inside the world. Una bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.